Amazon Lex is an AWS service that allows you to build chatbots with conversational artificial intelligence. Hi guys, this is Abi from GokshDB, and in this video, you're going to learn 8 things about Amazon Lex in AWS. Let's get into it. Number 1, powered by the same technology as Alexa, Amazon Lex integrates with AWS Lambda, which allows you to trigger functions for execution of your back-end business logic for data retrieval. Number 2, Amazon Lex can learn the multiple ways users can express their intent based on a few sample utterances. Number 3, the service lets you manage context across multi-turn conversations natively without the need for custom code. Number 4, the Amazon Lex speech recognition engine has been trained on telephone speech audio to provide increased speech recognition accuracy for telephony use cases. Number 5, the visual conversation builder in the Amazon Lex console is a drag and drop conversation builder that makes bot building fast and easy. Number 6, Amazon Lex lets you apply versioning to your bots. This makes it easy for you to maintain code as you test and deploy in a multi-developer environment. Number 7, Amazon Lex integrates with Amazon Kendra for ML-powered intelligent search and with Amazon Polly for turning text into lifelike speech. Last but not the least, number 8. As of this recording, you can process up to 10,000 text requests and 5,000 speech requests per month for free with the AWS Free Tier. In summary, Amazon Lex is a fully managed AI service with advanced natural language models to design, build, and deploy chatbots. There you have it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.